All right, let's now head straight to Mombasa, where the Billboard row continues to rage on. And currently, there is a clash between people from different parties or supporters from different parties over that row on the kind of billboards or the number of billboards that should be allocated to a number of the candidates who are vying, especially for the gubernatorial race. Let's speak to our reporter, Francis Ontomo. But remember, those are live pictures we are bringing you from Mombasa. Looks like a number of arrests are being made there after that clash among supporters of various candidates over that. Francis Ontomo is on phone. He will be giving us updates. Francis, good afternoon. What is happening? We're seeing live pictures of something that looks like a standoff between the police and residents.
Well, indeed, Akisa, yes, we are around Buxton area. This is an area that has, of course, experienced a bit of tension here, where we have had two groups clashing over the Billboard affair. We have had one group led by Awiti Bolo's team, that is a gubernatorial aspirant, of course, on the Vibrant Democratic Party, and also the inspectorate officers of Mombasa County clashing over the erection of a billboard here, just at the lights location here within a Buxton area. And what is happening right now, they have the Awiti supporters who are trying to erect this particular billboard have been sent away by police officers. Right now, the Mombasa Inspectorate officers have taken charge, trying to bring it down. And that is the route that has been building here. Of course, it has had to do with, they have been claiming that the governor of Mombasa, Hassan Ali Joho, has been using the county government to block other candidates of the governorship seat from erecting the billboards within town. They say that he has taken over all the billboards in town and they cannot have their space. And that is why Awiti Bolo said that he must erect his billboards. And he started by one here at the just near Nyali Bridge, actually. And that is where this is all happening right now. A bit of tension here right now because police officers are trying to really find the identity of the people around here, trying to clear people. And that is why we are trying to relate to you all this. Of course, our pictures might be a bit shaky, and it's all because of the extraneous working conditions that we are operating in at the moment. But right now, at the moment, the situation looks like it has been controlled quite a bit. Because right now the inspectorate officers have for the first time managed to come to this particular spot, because earlier on when they made the first attempt to come to this particular spot, there was a problem because they were ejected from this scene by their Awiti supporters. Right now, police are taking charge of affairs. They're saying that they are not allowing anyone now to come near this particular area. And that is why right now the pictures that you're showing actually are the officers of the Mombasa Inspectorate trying to bring down that erection, Akisa.
We've seen a number of arrests there have been made. Kindly just let us in on who has been arrested. What is the regional commander saying?
Well, at this particular juncture, it's not quite clear on who actually particularly is being arrested or has been arrested from this particular spot. But what is happening, police are trying really to find the identity of people around here to try and comb around and know who is here. But at least we've seen a few people dragged to the police vehicle that was stationed right here. And that tells you that they are trying to make some headway on trying to find out exactly who are these people. Earlier on, we were told there was a court order that was obtained by the county government of Mombasa to bar any erection of billboards within the town. And that is the order perhaps that the inspectorate officers here are trying to enforce right here at the Buxton Bridge, near actually the Nyali Bridge. Right now, what we can also report is the fact that there is a bit of commotion here. Traffic is not moving. It's moving at snail's pace, of course, occasioned by what has transpired right here. The chaotic scene that was earlier at this particular place, actually, this place is actually near a primary school here, Burania Nursery School. And therefore, it created a lot of tension, given that this has quite obstructed even learning at this nearby school, Akisa.
Francis, thank you for that update. We'll be coming back to you once you get more information about that particular situation. I will definitely be expecting a number of reactions from the governor, from the regional commander. But as he reports, the situation seems to have come after supporters clashed over supporters of Awiti Bolo tried to erect a particular billboard at Nyali, and we will definitely be bringing you